Ooh. Hey Tyler, are we going to go on a lot of rides today? Wow, California Adventure looks amazing. Wow, now I know how to feel sweet underwater. Wow, look at all those fish. I know, Percy. So what ride do you guys want to go on next? It sure is, Humphrey. Aw man, this ride's closed. Hey, let's go on Goofy's Flying School. Woohoo! Yeah! Ah, look out! Look at Sheriff! Uh-oh, we woke up Frank. Let's get out of here. Wow, Radiator Springs Racers was so fun. Yeah, the food was great. I love the churros. Yeah, let's go on the Incredicoaster. Look, there's Rocket. You got it, Rocket. Ah! Wow, the pizza here is great. Ah, man, I got a little wet. My poor penguin. Grim Grilling Ghost. I love that song. Hey, let's go on the Indiana Jones ride. Yeah, this is so much. Woo-hoo! Hi, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, I had fun too. My favorite ride is the Incredicoaster. Good night.